Welcome to our rain garden. This is a place where water naturally flows through the property, and I'm trying to capture as much as I can with these native Minnesota plants that have deep root systems. This was a part of a kit that I purchased. I planted it last year, and these are all the ones that survived the winter and came back. Now, you're going to see all of this bare soil. What we did was we took out the grass that was trying to grow in, we took out the weeds, we roughed it up, and we direct sowed and broadcasted Mexican sunflowers, a pollinator mix, and hollyhocks.